So now let's see how we can insert images from Google Search inside of Sheets. So in order to insert images from Google Search, you need to first go into Insert menu on the top, and then you need to go to Image. And now I'm going to choose Image over Cell right here. So on the right hand side, you can see Google Image Search is an option, so you have to click on it. And over here on the top, simply type in the name of the image that you want to search. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in Wikipedia right here. So let's say I want the Wikipedia logo. So I'm just going to type in Wikipedia, press enter, and then the image related to Wikipedia is here. So you can see that there's the Wikipedia logo right here. So if I were to click on it right here, you can see insert option is here. So let me just click on insert. And what happens is that the image gets loaded up over here. So it is loading up, and there you go. There's the image, as you can see. So you can resize the image right here and work around with this image as you would with any other images. You got the image options and everything. And the good thing is you can see that this image is transparent as well. So I can see through the transparency area right here in the data as well. And that is how you can add Google Image Search image inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.